What scientists found at the bottom of Challenger Deep was impossible. Imagine descending 7 miles into absolute darkness where the pressure would instantly crush a human, and discovering life thriving, plastic bags sitting on the seafloor, and sounds that shouldn't exist. Welcome back to Beneath the Depths. Today we're exploring the most shocking discoveries from Earth's deepest point, findings that prove even the most extreme place on our planet isn't safe from human impact and isn't as lifeless as we thought. Challenger Deep sits at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, 36,070 feet below the ocean surface. The pressure there is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, enough to crush a submarine like a soda can. For decades, scientists believed nothing could survive there. What happened next will blow your mind. They were completely wrong. When filmmaker James Cameron descended to Challenger Deep in 2012, he found the seafloor covered with bizarre, translucent creatures that shouldn't be able to exist. Sea cucumbers, amphipods, and fish living in conditions that would instantly kill surface organisms. But here's what's truly shocking. These weren't just surviving, they were thriving. The amphipods discovered at Challenger Deep are some of the strangest creatures on Earth. They're about the size of your thumb, but can withstand pressure that would collapse human bones. Scientists studying these creatures found they have special proteins and cellular structures that actually require extreme pressure to function. At surface pressure, they would literally fall apart. But that's not the most amazing part. Alongside these incredible deep-sea creatures, explorers found a plastic bag, then another, then aluminum cans, candy wrappers, and other human trash. At the deepest point on Earth, 7 miles down, where only 3 humans have ever been, human pollution had already arrived first. Here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists deployed sensitive microphones at Challenger Deep and recorded sounds that shouldn't exist at those depths. Mysterious low-frequency rumbles, biological clicks from unknown sources, and even what sounds like metal groaning from the seafloor itself. Some noises have never been identified. The sediment samples brought up from Challenger Deep contained another impossible discovery: microplastics. Tiny plastic particles had somehow made their way to the absolute deepest point on the planet, proving that nowhere in our ocean is untouched by human activity. Can you imagine pollution traveling 7 miles down through complete darkness? The water chemistry at Challenger Deep revealed surprising findings. Despite being the deepest point, the water contains dissolved oxygen and supports a complete ecosystem. Scientists found evidence of bacteria consuming oil and methane seeping from the seafloor, creating a food chain in total darkness. The geological activity is equally mysterious. Challenger Deep sits at a subduction zone where one tectonic plate is sliding under another. Instruments have recorded earthquakes originating from the trench that can be felt thousands of miles away, and scientists believe the deepest parts of these trenches might be recycling ocean water directly into Earth's mantle. But here's what shocked scientists most. During Victor Vescovo's 2019 descent, the deepest solo dive in history, he discovered what appeared to be entirely new species. Creatures with body plans unlike anything seen before, suggesting that the deepest ocean may contain undiscovered branches of the tree of life. The pressure-adapted life at Challenger Deep is teaching scientists about the limits of biology. The proteins these creatures use, called piezolites, actually stabilize under pressure. This discovery is helping researchers understand how life might exist on other planets with extreme conditions, like the subsurface oceans of Jupiter's moon Europa. Temperature readings from Challenger Deep revealed another mystery. Despite being 7 miles down, the water temperature is just above freezing. But hydrothermal vents in the area create pockets of warm water where completely different ecosystems thrive. These temperature variations create invisible barriers that different species cannot cross. The evidence suggests that human activity has reached literally every corner of our planet. Finding a plastic bag at Challenger Deep proves that ocean currents, marine snow, and other mechanisms are transporting pollution to even the most remote and extreme environments on Earth. What scientists found at the bottom of Challenger Deep, thriving life, mysterious sounds, and human pollution existing together in Earth's most extreme environment, proves that our planet still holds incredible mysteries while showing the urgent need to protect even the places we've barely explored. The fact that life not only survives but thrives at Challenger Deep, while our plastic trash joins it there, represents both the incredible resilience of nature and the staggering reach of human impact on our planet. What do you think is the most shocking discovery from Challenger Deep? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more incredible revelations from Earth's most extreme environments.